I can count my white hair, but now I can't. We are getting older. We're getting older, and I'm accepting it. It's countless, like the sand. I feel like I just want to give up. There's a lot over here. I can remove them and probably just accept it. I have some thoughts lately on aging, maybe because I'm starting to feel some changes in my physical body, like having unexpected amount of white hairs. And I also recognize how my own experience of aging is affecting the way I pursue art. Sometimes I'd feel less passionate, less loud, but nevertheless I still create, praise God. I found out that aging can impact an artist's ability to create art in different ways, including changes in cognitive functions. And when I learned this, I'm like, okay, must be the reason why sometimes I feel like I'm now trying hard to be as unapologetically persistent like most of the Gen Zs, or I feel like I'm slow to learn new things, but I don't know. I just want to glorify God with all I have, regardless of the amount of energy, I guess. So please tell me I'm not alone with this. The waves are big, look. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm probably just dramatic. Let's take a little walk. I don't have a microphone right now, but I don't know if you can hear me. It's a beautiful morning. Oh my gosh. The struggle of walking on the sand. It's not a joke. Oh my gosh. Look how elevated that is. Look, right? This is the part where it's just plain topography. But over here it becomes like a uphill topography. There's a lot of movement happening right now in front of my eyes. It's actually beautiful. Like I can see different changes happening in the atmosphere, like the light, the color of the skies. It's changing, and even the movement of the water, it's beautiful to me. I feel like they're meant to move whichever way they go to, and the way they create the curves and the way it touches the surface of the water, it's beautiful to me. Oh, I forgot the sound. The sound of the water has been a pleasurable experience for my ears. It's actually music. nature is music. The sound of nature is music, I can say. But you know what I'm saying, right? You probably can hear the sound of the wind. It's so strong. I'm so sorry. I'm not sure how I can I can help you. I can actually rest here all year. And the wind, it's colder than a few minutes ago. It's colder. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Like, this is what I see right now as I talk to you, and that's the water. I don't know, can you describe what color this is? The blue hue of the sky is very much familiar to me. I know that it's blue. Light blue or baby blue in this area. I don't know. But this one right here, I don't know. I'm not sure how to describe the color. But I know it's blue. Dark blue in this area. If you are a painter, if you are a visual artist, let me know. There's like a code for this color. I don't know if that's even essential to talk about in this video. Like the color codes, not sure.
How do you feel?
Huh?
Kumusta ka na?
Oh, I thought there's a
I mean, kung kagabi,
continuation.
di ba? Iba yung pakiramdam mo, nilalamig ka, lagnat, may sipon.
I feel better. There's no better place to heal your physical body but to be in nature. To be in nature, that's God's best medicine, I guess. I mean, I appreciate technology. We love technology, right?
But sometimes we forget that there are natural remedies. Sometimes it's zero cost. That's nature. This leaf, it's green. It's helpful for the eyes, right? Maybe a reminder for you to lessen your screen time, or maybe if your eyes are tired, you can just look at some green plants. You know, natural.
All right, thank you for the
And
answer.
free. Free! We love free!